Western blue elderberry provides habitat for beneficial species of birds and insects, making it a desirable feature of the farming landscape for ecological as well as economic reasons. However, this also means that it is especially important to minimize risks of food-borne pathogens when elderberries are harvested for human consumption. The small, dark, blue-purplish fruit is used in syrups, jams, tinctures, and teas, and other value-added products. Elderberry is an emerging commercial crop in California with strong market potential and significant opportunity for expanding regional supply. This is the third video in a series. In this video, we will focus on post-harvest practices such as washing and destemming, with particular attention to food safety. There are different approaches to washing elderberries, but in all methods, the water used for contacting food must be potable. Here are some examples of single-pass wash systems where elderberries are rinsed under cool, running water. The water running over the berries exits the washing system, carrying away debris and potential contaminants. If using a colander, it is important not to overload it. The water must directly contact and pass freely over all the berries. If using a screen for washing, it must be made of stainless steel or food-grade mesh. Remember to wash your hands and clean and sanitize any food contact surfaces, as demonstrated in the first video, before beginning post-harvest activities. This is an example of an immersion wash system, where elderberries on the stem are immersed in successive tubs of water. Adding a sanitizer to your washing system can keep illness-causing pathogens from spreading through the wash water to non-contaminated berries. If you are adding sanitizer to a triple wash system, it is important that the sanitizer have an EPA registration number, be approved for use in fruit and vegetable wash water, be designated for use on human pathogens common to produce contamination. You must follow the instructions on the label. This is the same immersion wash system, but here the elderberries have been destemmed prior to washing. When using an immersion wash system, you should monitor the turbidity or cloudiness of the water and change the water when necessary. Organic matter, such as dirt, stems, leaves, and other debris, can increase the turbidity of the water and reduce the efficacy of sanitizers added to the water. There are different methods for destemming elderberries after harvest. Destemming is a crucial step in handling elderberries, as the stems contain a toxic compound called sambunagrin, which can cause gastrointestinal disorders. Because it is a food contact surface, your destemming equipment should be cleaned and sanitized before use. This is a simple destemming method using equipment that many people already have on hand. A fork is used to gently dislodge berries from the stems into a bowl below. However, it can be time-consuming. A stainless steel elderberry destemmer is designed to remove elderberries from their stems by rubbing the cymes gently across the screen, allowing the berries to fall into the tray below. In this model from River Hills Harvest, the destemming screen fits into a perforated stainless steel bin that is ideal for washing. In another destemming method, elderberries are placed in food-grade plastic bags and placed in a freezer. Once frozen, the berries can be rapidly removed from the stems by rubbing or shaking. Be sure to remove leaves, seeds, and unripe berries. If you are storing berries in a freezer, it is crucial to ensure that the freezer consistently maintains a temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Regularly check the temperature to guarantee the berries are properly frozen. Suitable options for storage include food-safe plastic buckets, food-grade plastic bags, and glass canning jars. Having good systems for washing and destemming elderberries is an important aspect of post-harvest handling, and adopting best practices related to food safety is essential for minimizing the risk of contamination and food-borne illness. After washing and destemming, elderberries are typically dried, frozen, and/or processed into value-added products, extending the shelf life of this emerging commercial crop.